Hey guys, if you have a phone, any Android phone, then there is a big problem a lot of people face throughout the days while carrying the phone. That is, after a while you have used your phone, you will be facing problem with the charging port in your phone. Like you will not be able to charge it properly, you will be getting some of the loose connection problems, like the charging port will be not actually accessible with the charger, and it will just disconnect charging or it will not charge. And this happens a lot because of the dust and the particles which will be trapped inside the charging port after some time, like using it for some of the months or years. And this is a major problems with most of the phones. And even if you actually putting something and trying to clean these ports, it will actually not clean it properly. It may damage the port also, and the same charging port issue actually persists on the phone. So this is a real big problem, but there is a solution which you can use for this problem, and today I will be discussing all about that. And for this I have this device also, which actually helped me to clean the USB port and fix the charging port issue with this phone. So in this video I will be telling you guys how we can fix this charging port issue which a lot of phone actually has, and how to fix this problem. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are at says, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the device is actually a great one, and you can see this is all-in-one cleaner device which you will be getting in Amazon. I will be putting the link of this in the description of the video. So it comes with a brush. So the brush is used to clean the devices, and obviously there is a keyboard key remover. This actually will not be useful that much, but what will be useful is this one. You can just put in some water or cleaning liquid in here to clean your phones, and this can help you to spray the liquid and clean it with this microfiber cloth in here, and it is super easy to clean. Once you put some water in there, you can just rub it like this and it will clean the phone. The next thing which will be super useful is this one, and this device has some of the really good things which will help you to clean the USB ports and the speakers, grills or everything. So this comes with this cotton swab which actually help you to clean the places or cameras and everything where you will not be able to put your finger. So this actually helps you to clean this, and the most important thing is this one which will help you to clean the USB ports and everything. So this actually has this tape to clean the USB port, but the best part is it also comes with this brush. So if your USB port has some dust in it or the speaker grills, what you want to do is put this brush in here. Make sure you are inserting the brush completely down the USB port and just rub it like this, and a lot of dust actually will come out. So whichever way I have done and how many times I have seen the dust comes out. And also you can see I have done and cleaned some of the USB port, that's why it has turned this blackish in the bristles. So a really good brush, and this brush is so fine that it will help you to actually clean the USB port. See, the dust is actually coming out right now after the cleaning, and the dust just went away. Once you have done this, you can just insert this and clean it more, so that you will be removing all the debris and the dust. Here also you can see in the speaker there can be some dust, and I will clean it with this brush. So I will just put the brush in here, and obviously I will clean it like this. So cleaning is super simple, and you can see a lot of dust will just come out, and this dust is actually from the speaker grills. You can see the speaker grill is clean now, but my brush is actually dirty, and to clean the brush you can just do like this. A lot of dust will come out, and obviously this is a really lifesaver tool to get the speaker and the charging port cleaned up. and it has really fixed the issue with the charging port which I had. So if you want to clean the charging port even more, you can just spray some liquid and clean it, but make sure you are not putting a lot of liquid up there, and IPX5 rated phones should be mandatory for this. And obviously you will be able to clean the phone and the USB port more like this. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, the bristles and the cleaning of the USB ports. Once done, you can just put them back in the case and it looks great also. And make sure you are putting it correctly and all the things are in the right place. Once you have done that, you can just cover it, and you can use this brush also if you want to clean some of the dust from the keyboard or other places. Obviously your phone will be looking absolutely good and cleaned up, so that your fingerprint and smudges will go also. So this is how you need to clean everything on your phone, and it is actually working well. So you can see I've cleaned up my phone and not much of dust is actually remaining, and obviously also the USB port is cleaned up. So this is a really good device if you want to clean your phone. Get the USB port and speaker grills cleaned up. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.